welcome back. This is my last video for today. Sorry. So I've had a really busy week. I've been working a lot, and then yesterday I went and got my second COVID shot. My arm really hurts, mainly in the shoulder, but it's kind of tenses it down a little bit more. It kind of goes away by the time you get close to the elbow, but for the most part, it hurts to move it, and I don't understand why it has to hurt so bad. But I am a little tired, a little groggy, so if I come out groggy, I'm sorry. But I wanted to get these filmed. The last box I have for you is my Boxy Premium. This box is a $35 a month subscription box. You get to pick a couple items. I don't remember what I picked. It's all kinds of fun because you pick it like, I literally think yesterday I picked mine for June. So by June I will forget. But this is what it looks like on the inside. And underneath here, it's got like different things. My add-on item is in here. But yeah, so this is what card you get. This theme is Flourish, and on the back it tells me all of my items and the cost. So, without further ado, we are going to just jump right in. I'm going to try to make this super short, and I am sorry if I rush. But, the first item I'm going to pull out is my add-on item. I did go through the add-on sale last month. I did not get any of the words. Natasha Denona palettes, so I did want to get the Jubilee, and so I did get this. No, I think I spent like $12 or $18 for it. I think 12. But this is what it looked like. It does have great pigment, and this black is not a black. It's an actual aqua. I will show you. That's why I wanted it. It was for the aqua, but it is a really pretty like aqua midnight blue, and I do have blue eyes, so I thought it would be fun to try it out, and that is what it looks like. So not black, kind of blue. And a lot of people didn't like this palette, but I thought it would be fun to play with, so I did get it during the pop-up sale. So that is my extra item, and we are going to dive right into the rest of this box. So the first item that I pulled out is by Serum Kind Hand Serum. Black Blossom Hand Serum. This item doesn't seem to be, there it is. A hand serum perfect for the intense care of the skin barrier, infused with healing effects of the Black Blossom Serum. I don't even know what that is. So this retails for $27. Let us pop this out. And it's packaged kind of cute in a metal packaging. So that's neat. Everything's on the back. And let's go ahead and get a little bit out. And let's see what it smells like. Oh, it does have a nice smell. And it's more of a lotion than a serum at first, and then it kind of melts into the skin. So that's nice. I'm good with that. The next item that I have in here is by Too Faced, and it's melted chocolate. I think this is an eyeshadow. This innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula delivers rich, intense, chocolate-scented matte color and skin-centric cocoa tones that can be worn alone for an airbrushed finish or as a pigmented primer that locks down for 24 hours of grease-proof, waterproof wear. And it retails for $21. I got mine in the color chocolate matte. I don't know if these boxes were colored with the color that you got, or maybe each box is just colored different chocolate colors. I do like this outside packaging. It's kind of cute and pretty. I don't know if you guys know, but I got a kitten last week, and like she is all over my Instagram. I adopted her from the Humane Society, so you should hop over to my Instagram and check that out. And that's a really pretty color. Just put it underneath that blue. So that's interesting. Let's go on to the next item. Is by Rodile. I do like Rodile skincare. These are Dragon's Blood Eye Masks. Hydrate and Tone Depuffing Bio-Glucose Eye Masks. I don't know. It says you get 3. I hope you get 3 pairs because I have 2 eyes. These innovative gel eye masks combine bio-glucose technology with Dragon's Blood Complex to intensely hydrate the delicate eye area with an immediate depuffing effect. The cooling effect leaves skin feeling refreshed while Reca extract helps reduce the appearance of bags and puffiness for an instant brightening appearance. This is a great treatment for prepping before a big event. Retails for $18. The next item that I got is by La Roche. I got La Roche brushes once before. These only are giving me 3. So the 3 that I got is a highlight brush. I don't know if I got these 3 or not, but there's a highlight brush. I do like the black studs, and I do like that now these aren't brushes I already have. It adds to this collection, and I might have brushes. This one's a small angle brush, and this one says a kabuki brush, which I don't think I have. So that's nice. They are very soft. And these brushes say get ready to cover all the basics with the set. 3-piece set comes with a dense domed brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlight and blush, and a small dense angle brush for eyeliner and eyebrows. Retails for $96. Are you kidding me? That's like what? $32 a brush? I guess if you got high-end brushes, but I just don't feel like those are, I think that feels like inflated, but let's move on. The last item I got is finally some makeup other than the liquid, I don't know, eyeshadow that I got. I am would failing. And it's by Haas Laboratory. It says that I got the Glamour Room Palette number 1 Fame. It says unlock your fame in this new palette with 10 matte, metallic, shimmer, and sparkle finish made to perform on every skin tone. This universal eyeshadow palette gives you the power to play up every persona. Silky smooth, blendable shades range from warm pale peach to rose gold to plums and deep black. For an ensemble of colors ready to envelop you in a new identity each time you want to rethink the new way for yourself. And it retails for $34. I do believe this is like Lady Gaga's brand. I don't know. But I do like this packaging. It is raised, so it becomes a hassle to stack your palettes, but that's okay. And these are the colors that I got. I don't know what you guys think of them, but they are like everyday colors, and they're really pretty. I will swatch 2 on the back of my hand. We will go with the sparkly purple one and this gold looking one, because we should know what the pigment looks like. And those are 2 different kinds. So here is the purple one. That's a really pretty shade. And the other one, which is the gold metallic, I think, and that comes across, it blends kind of in. So it's got nice pigment. It'll be fun to play with. Overall, not bad. Not like the worst Boxy Premium I've ever gotten. Oh, there's one more item. I forgot there was 6 items. Sorry. The last item is by Bite Cosmetics, and it is in Negroni. Is the color of the I don't know how to make that so that it will show up. Let's see if I tell the, yeah, it's just not going to focus on it. But it is kind of like a red. This says that it is a powder mousse creamy matte lip crayon, a clean high performance matte lipstick for creamy bold color that can keep up with you. And it retails for $26. I do like the packaging; it's really kind of cute. But I don't wear a whole lot of lips. That's what it looks like outside the box, and you will swatch it. And it, like I said, it's like a red, so it is a pretty color. I don't know how much I'll use it, but altogether, that is my box. Overall thought, I don't know, it's kind of makeup light this month. 6 items. I am just hurting today, but this is what I got. So if that looks interesting, make sure you follow the links in the description. I am sorry that I don't feel like I'm 100%, but, you know, check out my other videos, leave comments for me, and like and stuff, all that jazz. I am going to head out because I just can't. I need to clean up my head and relax, and, yeah, I couldn't get onto it because I'm extremely tired, but I did want to get them out for you. I'm hoping tomorrow I feel much better, but today I'm just really just laying down. So with that, I'm gonna check, and I'm sorry that I rushed through these boxes, but I hurt your face, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye.